morning students. The next topic of the complex number, rectangular form of a complex number. What is rectangular form? It's nothing but we have to combine and write real and imaginary. What is imaginary? Along with the I, it is known as a imaginary. A complex number is a number that can be expressed in the form of a plus ib. Here a and b are real number, but I is an imaginary. Okay, that is known as a complex rectangular form of a complex number. A is a real number, B also a real number, but I is imaginary number. Is it clear? Now here we want to write here. See this definition. If x is 0, now for example, see here, x plus iy equal to z. I'm going to take z equal to. So now I'm going to take real z. Real z equal to x. Okay, I want imaginary z. Imaginary z means we have to write the coefficient of I. Coefficient of I is plus y. Is it clear? Now I'm going to take, for example, see here. If x is equal to 0, the complex number is said to be purely imaginary. X0 means you'll get only this part. Is it equal to, if x is equal to 0, what will come? I, y. What it is? This is imaginary. Is it clear? It is imaginary. If x is equal to 0, what is z value? Z equal to iy. What it is? Imaginary. Why it is imaginary? Along with y is having I. So it is name is imaginary. If y equal to 0, what will come? Z equal to x. Only x, there is no along with I. So it is known as real. That's why I am telling here. If x is equal to 0, the complex number is said to be purely imaginary. Y equal to 0, purely real. But 0 is only number which is at once real and purely imaginary. Here it's given z equal to x plus iy. Real of z, short form is real of z na re, capital letter you got to write re of z equal to x. Imaginary, capital I m, z equal to y. Along with I, that is known as imaginary z. Okay, now I'm going to write here. I'll give the organ plane. What is organ plane? See here. The next topic is organ plane. Organ plane means, see here children, see, you take ordered pair. What is ordered pair? Along with in this bracket we got two numbers, that is a ordered pair. See here, for example, z equal to 8 minus 3i. Shall I write ordered pair? Or you can write z equal to 8 comma minus 3. This is real. Second one is imaginary. This is an ordered pair. This is a complex form. This is an ordered pair of a complex number. Now come to here. In this form, you got write z equal to x plus y with this a point x comma y. In the coordinate plane, if we consider x-axis as real, y-axis is imaginary axis, represents the complex number, then the xy plane is called complex plane or organ plane. This is in this, it is named as Swiss mathematician Jean Organ. The mathematician name is Jean Organ. That only the plane name is organ plane. Is it clear? For example, see 8 comma minus, no. See here what it is. I'm going to draw the line. This is x and this is y. I'm going to take 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Likewise here minus 2, minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, x dash. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, y dash. Here 1, 2, 3. Now plot the point. 8 comma minus 3. This is C here. 8 comma minus 3. This is plotting point. No, this is a organ plane of a complex number. Organ plane. Is it clear? That's all. Now you come to our answer. What it is, we having 4 operations, children: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now you see here, I'm giving some examples. What are the examples here? For example, z equal to 3 minus 4i. Okay, now I'll give one more value or z2. This is z1, z2 equal to what shall I take this 8 minus plus 3i. Shall I add this to z1 plus z2 equal to, write this to number 3 minus 4i plus, write the z2 value 8 plus 3i. Children, listen carefully. When I add or subtract, you are going to add only real and real and imaginary only. We got to pair. What are the real number? 3 and 4. Pair this to real number. Then plus, okay, plus what are the imaginaries? Along with I, it is imaginary. What it is? Minus 4i plus 3i. Now add this real number 11. Here minus 4i plus 3i, so minus I. This is z1 plus z2. Is it clear? Shall I do subtraction from this number? See here. Z1 minus Z2. What is the first one? Z1? 3 minus 4i. Minus, when you are writing minus using a bracket, Z2 value is 8 plus 3i. Multiply by minus in the second part. 3 minus 4i minus 8 minus 3i. Again, children, we have to add the real and imaginary part alone. 3 minus 8 plus minus 4i minus 3i. Then what will come this? Minus 5. What will come this? Same sign. So add, put the same sign. 7i. This is z1 minus z2. Any doubt? Addition, subtraction is any doubt? In these two terms, we have to see in addition subtraction we got to take real and then imaginary. Okay, any doubt this? Then multiply. Z1 Z2 equal to 3 minus 4i 8 plus 3i. Children, this is, see carefully, multiply by 3 of this two number. What will come? 3 of 8 plus 3i. Then what it is? Minus 4. Multiply by this minus 4i of 8 plus 3i. Then as usual multiply 24 plus 9i. Then multiply this minus 32i minus 12i square. What is our I square value? Or you remember? We are studied in last exercise. Minus 1. 24. See this 9i minus 32i. What will come? Minus 20. Tell me what is the answer? 23. Is it correct? I. Here minus 12. I square is minus 1. So 24 minus 23i minus into minus plus 12. So add real. 12 plus 24 plus 12. 36 minus 23i. This is Z1, Z2. Any doubt, ma? You know what is how to add, subtraction, multiply, divide. I will take later. Okay. Then this is three operations very important: addition, subtraction, multiplication. Is it clear? Any doubt this? Addition is you got to do directly. Subtraction means second part minus by second part, and then as usual multiply the first part multiply by the second part fully, and first of the second part multiply by the second part fully. And then as usual you'll get real and imaginary. We have to add or subtract depending upon the numbers, symbols. Okay, any doubt? From this value, how to write real of z1 z2? What is the real value of your 36? Can you write the imaginary of z1 z2? Along with I is having 23. So minus 23 is the imaginary. No need write I. Imaginary is written means you got to write the coefficient of I value only here. Is it clear? Now I'll come to our answer exercise. Exercise number 2.2. Children, just you got to write it in the book itself also. First sum ke example 2.2. In third sum ke example 2.2. This is 2.21. This is 2.2. Illustration, then two same illustration, only same one. First some example, this is illustration 2.2 for first sum. Third sum ke example 2.2. I'll do any one sums, the remaining sums you have to do. Come to our exercise number 2.2. Sum number 1, write down given. What is given? ZW is given. Z equal to 5 minus 2I. W equal to minus 1 plus 3I. Okay. What is the first question? Z plus W. Now write down Z plus W equal to, substitute the value 5 minus 2I. What is the symbol? Plus minus 1 plus 3I. Then remove the bracket, multiply by plus to the next two parts, minus 1 plus 3I. Then add the real and imaginary. 5 minus 1 plus, and then using the imaginary values, minus inside the bracket, minus 2I plus 3I. What will come? 5 minus 1 is 4, minus 2 plus 3I is I. So that is nothing but 4 plus I. This is Z plus W. 2Z plus 3W. Can you able to complete, children, this? 2 times of 5 minus 2I plus 3 times of minus 1 plus 3I. Can you multiply by 2, multiply by 3 and then form a real part alone, imaginary part alone? Can you able to complete this? 10 minus 4I minus 3 plus 9I. That is equal to, add this 7, add this, it will come plus 5I. This is 2Z plus 3W. Then come to our fourth one, ZW. You want to multiply. What is our Z value? 5 minus 2I. Multiply of W value is minus 1 plus 3I. Shall I multiply by 5? To that part, 5 of minus 1 plus 3I. Then minus 2I of minus 1 plus 3I. Then multiply as usual, minus 5 plus 15I. Multiply by this, plus 2I minus 6I square. I square value is minus 1. Substitute here. Minus 5, see same sign. Add 17I minus 6 of minus 1. So minus 5 plus 17I plus 6. See different sign, we got to minus, put the greater number sign. But 1 plus 17I. This is ZW. Is it clear? Then go to fifth sum. Fifth sum, Z square plus 2 is ZW plus W square. Find out Z square. What is Z value? 5 minus 2I to the whole square. We got to apply A minus B whole square formula. What is A minus B whole square? A square minus 2AB plus B square. You have to apply here. 5 square minus 2 of 5 into 2I plus 2I to the whole square. That is 25 minus 20I plus 4I square. I square value is 20. I square value is minus 1. Correct. It is equal to 4. It will come 25 minus 20I minus 4. Then add the real. So 25 minus 4 is 21 minus 20I. This is Z square. Then here, children, W square. What is W square? W value is minus 1 plus 3I whole square. Again, you have to apply A minus B whole square formula. Minus 1 whole square minus 2 of my plus 1 3I plus 3I whole square. Say 1 minus 6I plus 9I square. I square value is minus 1, so 9. Then see that part 1 minus 9 is minus 8 plus 6I. This is W square. We want to find ZW. Z value is 5 minus 2I. Here minus 1 plus 3I. What is the answer? Already you found this answer, children. 2 plus 17I. Then we got to write 2 ZW equal to 2 times of 1 plus 17I equal to 2 plus 34I. Then we substitute Z square plus 2 ZW plus W square equal to, substitute all the values, 21 minus 20I plus 2 plus 34I minus 8 plus 6I. Then combine all the real value 21 plus 2 minus 8, then put plus, write down plus I, then inside the bracket you take and write coefficient of I value is minus 20 plus 34 plus 6, then add this, what will come, 21 plus 20, 21 plus 22 minus 8, what will come, 23 minus 8 is, I think it will come 17, it will come as 15, no, correct? 23 minus 5 is 15, correct or not? Okay, plus 5 of, again, shall I subtract this? 20 minus 34 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20, that is plus 20, positive value is 20. So this is z square plus 2z w plus w square. You take the common. Here 5 is common. Shall I take out? What will come? 3 plus 4i. So your wish, you can write 15 plus 20i or take out the common. Your wish. Square. Then the last one, z plus w to the whole square. That is equal. We want to find z plus w. What is your z plus w? 5 minus 2i plus minus 1 plus 3i. What will come? 5 minus 2i minus 1 plus 3i. That is 4 plus I. You want to write w, z plus w whole square. 4 plus I to the whole square. A plus b whole square formula. That is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is equal to 4 4s are 16 square. 2 of 4 of I plus I square. 16 plus 8I minus 1, because I square equal to minus 1. So 15 plus 8I. This is z plus w square. Is it clear, ma? Whole square. Then come to our second one. Question number 2. You want to write the organ plane. Is it given the complex number? Is it is given? Using this z value, we got to draw the organ diagram. It's given 2 question. Second one, given I. What is given? Z equal to 2 plus 3i. Come to our first sum. Z comma I z comma z plus I z. Okay. Then we want to do, see this, how to do this. Here you take first z value. Z equal to 2 plus 3i. Okay, that is nothing but 2 comma 3. Second one, I z equal to I of z value is 2 plus 3i. That is equal to 2i plus 3i square. 2i plus 3 of minus 1, that is 2i minus 3. You take the real number first and then write the imaginary number iz. That is equal to minus 3 comma 2. Then come to last part, z plus iz. Z plus iz. Just now you found what is z value? 2 plus 3i plus iz value is minus 3 plus 2i. Remove the bracket. 2 plus 3i minus 3 plus 2i. Then add the real minus 1. Then see the imaginary plus 5i. This is z plus iz. Nothing but minus 1 comma 5. We want to draw the diagram. How to use the diagram? That is organ plane. See here, children. Okay. See, this is x, y, x dash, y dash, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Then plot the point. What is first one? 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. Is it correct? 2 comma 3, or you can write 2 plus 3i. Then next one, minus 3 comma 2. This is the point. Minus 3 comma 2, or you can write minus 3 plus 2i. Third point, minus 1 comma 5. Minus 1 comma 5, or you can write minus 1 plus 5i. Join this point, children. Join this point. What represents here? It form a triangle. You know, right angle triangle, it form a. Is it correct? Therefore, z comma iz comma z plus iz forms a right angled triangle. This is organ plane or organ diagram. Can you able to complete the second part, ma? Can you try the second part like same? Okay, shall I go to third sum? What is our third sum? See our third question. Third question is, what is given? Want to find x and y. It is given two complex numbers or equal. But given 3 minus I of x minus 2 minus I of y plus 2I plus 5 and minus 1 plus 2I of y plus 3 plus 2I are equal. To find the values, to find the values of x and y. Shall we do now? See here, children. What is our question? In this question, you take and write 3 minus I of x minus 2 minus I of y plus 2I plus 5 equal to, because it is given equal to 2x plus minus 1 plus 2I of y plus 3 plus 2I. Okay, then shall I multiply by x and then y? 3x minus ix, then multiply by minus y, minus 2y, minus into minus plus iy plus 2I plus 5. Here 2x similarly multiply by plus y plus, here it plus into minus minus y plus 2iy plus 3 plus 2y. Then add all the real numbers of the left side. 3x minus 2y plus 5. Then take and write the imaginary. Plus I of. Here what will come? Minus x plus y plus 2. Is it clear? Then similarly take and write all the real numbers of the left side. 2x minus y plus 3. This is real. Then you always put plus only here, children. I. Then it will come any negative, you write it in the inside the bracket. So what is the coefficient of I? 2y. Here is a plus 2. Now see, comparing these two parts, children. Here also real and here also real. Here also imaginary, here also imaginary. So shall I equating? So equating real and imaginary, we get, take real equal to real. 3x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 2x minus y plus 3. Real part equal to real part, that is equating. Then imaginary part equal imaginary. Take only the imaginary part, no need to take I. So minus x plus y plus 2 equal to 2y plus 2. Then here, children, take all the variables to the left side. 3x minus 2y minus 2x plus y, constant converted to right side. So what will come? X, okay, and then minus y equal to -2, equation 1. Here similarly, minus x plus y minus 2y, 2 minus 2, what will come? Minus x minus y equal to 0. What is this? X minus, this is equation number 2. What is the first equation? X minus 2 equal to -2. Second equation, x minus y. Shall I take positive value? X plus y equal to 0. This is number 1. All minus, no, so multiply by -1 on both sides, it will come this answer. Then solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2, we get x minus y equal to -2, x plus y equal to 0. Shall I cancel it? It will come 2x equal to -2, x is equal to -2 by 2, x is equal to -1. Then substitute x is equal to -1 in equation 1. So x minus y equal to -2, -1 equal to -2, -1 equal to -2 plus 1, minus y equal to -1, y equal to 1. So therefore the values of x is equal to -1, y equal to 1. Is it clear, children? The same model, example number 2.2. Can you able to complete this? No need to take z1, z2. Like this part equal to this part equal. So we got to write this is equal to this part. No, z2. No need to write everything. Write directly given, write one given or equal. Then find out value, equate x real part and separate the real and imaginary both side. After separating real and imaginary, equating real equal to real, imaginary equal to imaginary, it form a 2 equation. After forming the 2 equation, solve, find out x, y answer. If it is correct or not, we got to check. Means take this two values, substitute any one of the equation. LHS equal to RHS means your answer is correct. Can able to try example number 2.2, same model. Any doubt of exercise number 2.2 ma? If any doubt, please make a call. Thank you.